Come, come, whoever you are, wonder, worshipper, lover of leaving. Ours is no caravan of despair. Come, yet again come. Welcome to Family Chapel. If you have a chalice, please join me in lighting it. I have a new one today. And join me in our invocation, because this is indeed a day to celebrate. Let us then rejoice in it and be glad, and let us count our many blessings. Let us be grateful to feel and to understand. Let us be grateful for the incredible gift of life, and let us be especially grateful for the ties of love that bind us together, giving dignity, meaning, worth, and joy to all of our days. Please join me in our covenant. Love is the spirit of this church, and service is its law. This is our great covenant, to dwell together in peace, to seek the truth in love, and to help one another. Today I have a guest who might be joining us pretty regularly. His name is Benji Latham. You might remember him from Channing's Children downstairs. He used to come play guitar for us and sometimes in the chapel. He has a special song that he will lead us in. Here's Benji.
Go away, spooky goblin, go away. Go away, spooky goblin, go away. Go away, spooky goblin, don't try to nibble my noggin. Go away, spooky goblin, go away. Go away, scary ghost, go away. Go away, scary ghost, go away. Go away, scary ghost, don't eat all my French toast. Go away, scary ghost, go away. Go away, spooky skeleton, go away. Go away, spooky skeleton, go away. Go away, spooky skeleton, don't try to shake my gelatin. Go away, spooky skeleton, go away. Go away, scary Frankenstein, go away. Go away, scary Frankenstein, go away. Go away, scary Frankenstein, you're never gonna be my Valentine. Go away, scary Frankenstein, go away. Go away, spooky bat, go away. Go away, spooky bat, go away. Go away, spooky bat, don't try to steal my hat. Go away, spooky bat, go away. Go away, scary zombie, go away. Go away, scary zombie, go away. Go away, scary zombie, don't beat up all my salami. Go away, scary zombie, go away. Go away, spooky witch, go away. Go away, spooky witch, go away. Go away, spooky witch, don't try to throw out the first pitch. Go away, spooky witch, go away. Go away, scary mummy, go away. Go away, scary mummy, go away. Go away, scary mommy, don't try to tickle my tummy. Go away, scary mommy, go away. Go away, spooky goblin, go away.
We have a special guest this morning that will lead you on a little nature walk. I invite you to go on such walks as often as possible. It's something we can still do during these COVID times. Take walks and notice all of the changes that are going on in our world. The seasons are still changing. It is beautiful outside. The weather fluctuates every day. So watch this video, learn from it, and then get outside and see what you can see. Learn what you can learn. And following that, we will have another song by Mr. Benji Latham. A bit of a lament, which is perfect for this time of year.
Hello, my name is Rachel, and I wanted to talk to you about one of my favorite things to do, and that is treasure hunting. Have you ever been on a walk, maybe in the park or around your neighborhood, and something on the ground caught your eye? Maybe it was shiny or smooth or spiky or really brightly colored. I love to just go on long walks, especially with my family, and see what sorts of interesting things I can find. Leaves or rocks or acorns, seeds, flowers. I think the autumn is the best time for treasure hunting because the trees are starting to lose all of their leaves and seeds, and there are just so many interesting things to find on the ground. These leaves are beautiful, but they're still on the tree, so I think we'll leave them. All of these things used to be living and growing on the trees, but now that they've fallen, they're not living anymore. Some of these seeds have a little spark of life inside them, and they will grow into brand new trees. Some of these things will get eaten by little animals like squirrels. The leaves and logs might get broken down by a fungus like this one, or maybe an insect or an earthworm. Eventually, they'll all be part of the soil, ready to support new life. It's a cycle of life, death, decay, and life again. Isn't he beautiful? He was just lying there right on the side of the road. He doesn't look broken or injured in any way. So I like to imagine that he lived his dragonfly life and then just came to rest for his final time right there on the curb. Insects and animals are part of the cycle of living and dying as well. Maybe you've had to say goodbye to a pet who died, or maybe even a person that you loved. It's so sad when somebody that we love dies. But we are part of nature, too, part of the cycle of living and dying. There can sometimes be a comfort in that. Maybe you could go on a nature treasure hunt today and see what sorts of interesting things you can find. Maybe you'd like to make a little display to bring inside, like I am right now. And whenever we look at it, we can be reminded of the beauty of autumn, and also that each of these little things, as well as all of the big trees and the animals and the people and everything that is living or has lived in the whole world is part of nature's cycle of living and of dying.
My body lies over the ocean. My body lies over the sea. My body lies over the ocean. Please bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. My mommy lies over the ocean. My mommy lies over the sea. My mommy lies over the ocean. Please bring back my mommy to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my mommy to me, to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my mommy to me. My puppy lies over the ocean. My puppy lies over the sea. My puppy lies over the ocean. Bring back my puppy to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my puppy to me, to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my puppy to me.
I hope you enjoyed today's family chapel. Go and be blessed and be a blessing. I look forward to seeing you next week.